Now, your Alaska Link weather for Anchorage and South Central.
After a weekend where we're seeing some sunshine, especially across our inland communities, we did start off the week active as a front was lifting into the South Central, bringing in times of mixed precipitation even, as well as some of those strong winds. But we are noting that that system is going to lift continuously to the north and stall out and then gradually dissipate through this week, which is going to allow for us to stay in a moisture-rich environment. But we're not going to see big rainfall accumulations, more just going to see that as we have some breaks and some sunshine. We may create some instability for our inland spots to talk about some thunderstorms and then also talk about holding on to some cloud cover, intermittent rain showers, but then we'll trend towards once that system falls apart to bring in a beautiful weekend with some seasonable temperatures. But what we have here in store as we head into our Tuesday is that we're still looking at some more likely rain showers as the system continues to lift its way to the north. So noting that most of our coastal communities here along this Dewey's marine forecast expecting some showers, as well as still noting that we have some winds up to 20 knots. Not as breezy though as our Monday, so note that some of the highest wind gusts are easing. We're noting that temperature trends are near seasonable from 38 from that morning low, but still sometimes of that lack of sunshine. We're just below that average there of 53, but for this time of the year when we battle these systems, hitting 53 is still a very seasonable day for Anchorage. Now we will be underneath this mix of tracking some spotty showers. Sunshine will still be around, but what we will note is that again with some of that sunshine, we see that this time of the year it can create that instability, especially with the amount of daylight that we have. So noting that we will continue to see, especially in portions of our valley, will there be the chance to see some of those afternoon rumbles. Now we still have that stronger moisture in play for our Gulf coastal communities to start off our Tuesday, creating that showery day. Now as we head through the day, there's that peak of some sunshine. So again, with some moisture over those mountains, we can talk about maybe some thunderstorms. And then here as we head into Wednesday, much less of that reflectivity for the South Central. The strongest reflectivity is actually along the range and into the interior. So what we will see here across the South Central is more intermittent cloud cover and potential of a shower or two. And again, if you break into some sunshine in the valley, could be talking about some of that thunderstorm potential developing off that moisture there from the range. So overall, it's not going to be a complete washout here for the coming days, but still staying underneath some of those active elements. We have 16 hours and 44 minutes of daylight with a 5:33 sunrise and a 10:18 sunset. So we're expected, especially for our inland communities, to see some sunshine again, but that might bring that potential of a thunderstorm as highs will reach those mid-50s. Gulf coastal communities with those gloomier conditions with showers staying into the 40s. Now Wednesday, trying to see more of a widespread drier day, though some intermittent cloud cover and some showers can't be ruled out. We'll continue that into Thursday, and then we'll show that as we have some final shower chances there on Friday, there is a potential of expecting some drier, brighter, and warmer conditions for the weekend.